authenticating a series of recent leaks disclosing Samsung's plans to introduce a tri-fold phone. A spate of rumors has emerged on the scene, giving Galaxy enthusiasts a sneak peek into what Samsung has in store for its response to the Huawei Mate XT. This significant move marks a substantial leap forward in foldable technology, with the South Korean-based tech giant aiming to outdo its competitors, including Huawei, which has already launched the flagship tri-fold device. However, Samsung's design takes a different approach, favoring a G-shaped fold rather than Huawei's Z-shaped style. Reports suggested that Samsung's currently gearing up to launch the tri-fold device, coinciding with the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip. If the company follows its previous release schedule, these devices are expected to launch in July during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event 2025. Ahead of the announcement, the company would kick off procuring components in April 2025. This timeline aligns with the previous leaks that mass production will also begin simultaneously. The forthcoming device is likely to feature a 9.96-inch screen when fully unfolded. The cover screen entails a 6.49-inch secondary display for quick interaction and one-handed usage. A tri-fold design comes with more complexity in contrast to traditional foldable devices that need a cutting-edge hing system, ensuring intuitive and smooth operations. The South Korean-based tech giant is required to enhance One UI to support multi-screen functionality, offering consistent transitions between different fold states. Samsung will limit the production to up to 20,000 units, reminiscent of what it's done with different experimental foldable models in the past. Due to limited production, it may only be available to select markets instead of a global release.